Look at this, a reverse stamping, a really basic one, and this, very, very different. So today we're gonna sit down and work. You can use one brush, but make sure it is the thinnest point that you have to get into all of these really, really fine lines. This is an old school plate. Why not go with an old school, oldie but goodie, M068. So this is the design. It picked up beautifully. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started. When you're doing this kind of advanced reverse stamping, I definitely recommend use my pinky to help guide where the brush is gonna go. And I don't keep the image in one place. I let this move as opposed to my brush move. So now I'm going in with a different purple and I'm just coloring the insides. So when you're doing reverse stamping, you'll need 50 shades of green, all the primary colors, to really get all of that definition. All right, I think that wraps it up. You guys ready? Ta-da! Oh, I'm in love. Are you in love? I'm in love. Yes, 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 yes. So we're gonna go in here with the sticky base coat, your best friend, because after you've done all of that work, you don't want to miss out on any of the bits and pieces that you just carefully colored. You want to make sure everything to come off on that nail. You don't want to miss out on anything. So, but that's what it looks like. So now we need our smudge-free top coat. The reason for that is I think it really helps to kind of enhance all of the colors that are being used in the design. Not very easy, but the results is just voila, beautiful.